Hello friends, welcome to the video number 26 for Excel 2016, and this is going to be the last video about conditional formatting, and we're going to take a step a little bit further. What we're going to do now is that we're going to apply the formatting to different cells, or in this case we're going to make an example giving the format to an entire row based on the value on the cell of a specific column. So we're gonna retake the example we used on video 25. If you didn't saw last video, well, let's say that this is just like a activity tracker. I'm writing here everything that I need to be doing, and I have these dates, these due dates for each activity. So now, as you can see, I have two activities that are past due, and this is due today. And for this, well, I have still 1 month. Today is May 16. But well, instead of deleting the activities, let's say I want to keep them for, I don't know, just to keep like a history or records. But I want to find an easy way to make it more visual that I have completed an activity. Of course, I can always just select this and print the entire, change the color, the fill color of the entire row. But let's do something more automatic. We can, for example, just select this range of columns from A to E. In this case, I'm going to select the entire worksheet just by clicking here. And well, let's come here to the conditional formatting. Let's apply a new rule. And we're going to use a formula, this last one, to determine which cells to format. And here we're going to write our formula. So it's going to be equals. Then we're going to put a $sign E. This $sign, we haven't seen yet, is absolute or relative referencing. But well, this $sign is basically the absolute referencing. So where we are telling Excel, don't move from column E. Always stay on column E. That's where I'm going to get my values. And then we're going to start at row 1. We are not going to apply an absolute reference. This is going to be a relative reference because I actually want the reference to move from row to the next row. So we just put it like that, equals $sign E1. And I want everything that is equals, then we're going to use our quotes, equals to close it. So there it is. Now let's go to the format. You can apply whatever format you feel like. I'm just gonna fill the entire row with this color. So it's gonna give me a clue whenever I close an activity, the entire row is gonna turn gray. Just click OK, and hopefully I got it right. Let's see. Closed, and well, there it is. My entire row it's turning gray. Let's just click Control and the right arrow. So as you can see, we are now at the very end, the very last column. So everything is printed or filled with the gray color. Now don't worry, if you want to print this, it's not going to try to print everything in your worksheet. It's just basically going to print until here. Or you can specify your, we already saw how to specify a printing area, so just specify that. But you're not going to have any trouble. So again, let's say I'm going to keep this one open because I need to wait for something else, but I can work on this one. So I already finished it. I'm going to change it to closed. Again, the entire row is going to turn gray. So now it's something more automatic. The other thing is standard. If you are sharing this workbook with somebody else, instead of printing rows of or filling the rows with different colors, everything is now standardized. And well, it's much more visual that all the white rows are open, and whatever is in gray or is grayed out is because you have already closed that activity. So this is just an example on how you can change the formatting of other cells based on the value of a different cell. So well, I hope you find this video useful. Please give it a like and share it with your friends. I want to invite you again to subscribe to the channel. And well, as always, thanks all of you for watching, for your time, and I hope to see you on the next video.